नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं सनसेट टीवी। आपके साथ मैं हूं दीक्षा कोहली। सनसेट टीवी की टीम आप पहुंची है तिरुपति में, जहां हो रही है देश की पहली नेशनल विमेन कॉन्फ्रेंस। और इस वक्त हमारे साथ बहुत ही खास शख्सियत है। जी हाँ, यहाँ की एम्पावर्ड महिला भी हैं और साथ ही म्यूनिसिपल कमिश्नर भी हैं तिरुपति की। हमारे साथ हैं मैडम मौर्य नारुपु रेड्डी। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मैम आपका सनसेट टीवी पर।
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
मैम, पहली बार देश में पहला नेशनल विमेन कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन हो रहा है, जो कि तिरुपति में हो रहा है। और महिला सशक्तिकरण और विमेन लेड डेवलपमेंट की तो बात हो ही रही है, लेकिन आपके ऊपर ये अहम जिम्मेदारी है कि आपने इस पूरे कॉन्फ्रेंस का अरेंजमेंट देखा, इसकी पूरी प्लानिंग, इसकी पूरी कार्रवाई आपने ऑन ग्राउंड की है, वो आपने की है, आपको ये जिम्मेदारी दी गई। पहला रिएक्शन क्या आता है जब आप इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में जानते हैं?
हम बहुत खुश हो। ये खुशी की बात है कि पहली बार ऐसा बड़ा कॉन्फ्रेंस तिरुपति में हो रहा है। सो एज बीइंग अ वुमेन एंड आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू कंडक्ट दिस प्रोग्राम बिकॉज इट्स अ 2 डे प्रोग्राम, 2 डे प्रोग्राम एंड 10 डेज से हम पूरा अरेंजमेंट्स वी आर डूइंग द अरेंजमेंट्स। सो आई फील वेरी हैप्पी एंड ऑल्सो प्रिविलेज्ड टू कंडक्ट दिस प्रोग्राम.
Such a big event, such a grand event. It has been 10 days. You have been working on grounds. How challenging was it to make it successful?
The primary thing is coordinating with all the delegates because nearly 180 delegates are coming from all over the country. So coordinating them, providing accommodation, providing liaison officers, all this is being taken care by district administration, district collector sir and joint collector. So I am in charge of this Rahul convention where actual program is being conducted. So coordinating with the Lok Sabha and also our secretariat, our assembly, and because the guidelines are little different, so providing that is little challenging. Otherwise there is lot of support from Secretary General and we have arranged as per the guidelines.
Ma'am, when we talk about the ancient Bharat, we have always worshipped women like a goddess. But it was a time when we had to talk about saving the daughters who were killed in the bomb itself. Then we always had words about educating the daughters. We were raising issues of educating the daughters. Then we raised an issue that we should empower women. And now India is transforming because we are talking about women-led development. How do you see this transformation?
Even when I was preparing for civil service also, there are lot of cases, especially about female feticide and mortality. So it gives a little pain also. I mean, the reason being why just being born as a female, there's no reason why you're not getting an opportunity to flourish. So, but I feel there's a lot of change even in the society now. Maybe because of law and also because of the awareness which people have got, I can see a lot of change and I can see the change in the society which we are living in. And also the transformation now, as a matter of fact, we are talking about women empowerment, we are having committees and we are having meetings, conferences on that. It itself shows there's a lot of importance given to this subject, and I feel if women are given opportunities, they flourish on a par with men and they have all the capacity. And I also feel women should also support women in this aspect, and this conference is a very good example for that.
Ma'am, besides you are truly empowered and also you see a big transformation, any message you would like to share from Sunset TV to every woman who is watching out there? What women should do if they want to just take out one step just to fly high in the sky, because every woman has a dream? Any special message you would like to share?
I feel every woman should be educated and financially independent. Financially independent irrespective of any field for that matter. And for that they should be dedicated, they should have perseverance, they should not leave the goal until they reach it. And I also feel every woman along with a man in the house or in the society should support for that.
Thank you so much ma'am for giving us time. Thank you ma'am. तो ये थी हमारे साथ तिरुपति की म्यूनिसिपल कमिश्नर, जिन्होंने ये कहा कि महिलाओं का शिक्षित होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और यदि एक महिला दूसरी महिला का सपोर्ट करने आएगी तो निश्चित रूप से हम एक नई प्रगति की ओर आगे बढ़ेंगे। कैमरा पर्सन अजेंद्र और आलोक के साथ दीक्षा कोहली, सनसेट टीवी के लिए।
लज्जत टीवी के और भी प्रोग्राम्स देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा YouTube चैनल और हाँ, इन्हें लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।